Hey, what's up, guys? Today is Thursday, February the 26th. We're out here in Buckhead, ATL. This is a new client. This is Mr. Robert. I came out here about 2 weeks ago. He did a paid in-home consultation, and he told me, he said, Courtney, I've been searching and I've been searching and I've been searching. He said, I finally found the company that I wanted to use, and it was you. He said, I watched so many of your videos. So many people came into this home and told me to sand these floors. I did not want to sand them because of the history of these floors. I just wanted to make them look better. All right. Also, one of his cleaning people put some type of something on the marble floor, so we're also going to clean and buff those. I got my guy Aaron out with me today. He's giving us a hand. A pretty nice size project. Also my guy Tavares. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going. All right, guys, so we're out here in Buckhead. Robert uses this home for events. Nice, beautiful home. I think this home goes back to the 1800s. And just like a lot of floors I've done, people say, Courtney, we just want to make them look better. We don't want to sand them. That's Mr. Robert right there. That's my new friend. What's up, Robert? Hanging in there. So what we're doing, guys, is these floors right here. It's like they kind of just dropped something alkaline, so it's just some type of residue. So I'm gonna clean this, get this off this floor, and then we're gonna scrub it. Then we got these hardwood floors that we're doing. There's my guy Aaron. We're gonna floors a nice screen. Gonna go with a satin finish. Then we're gonna UV cure. Okay. Got this little area right here. Got Tavares upstairs. Tavares is doing the hallway upstairs, and also we're going to screen and recoat these stairs. There's Tavares right there. That's it, Tavares. You got it? All right, cool. He had to switch his pads. And then we also got this area over here. And guys, overall, the floors are not bad, but if you just look at them from an angle, they do have a lot of scuff marks, scratches, things like that. So just want to just make them look better. You know, just make them look better. He said, Courtney, I did not want to sand these floors. Also here in this beautiful kitchen, this floor right here. And then Robert said he possibly wants me to come back and do the marble in the kitchen, but that would be another day, because that would probably be a all-day project just within itself. So guys, this is this house right here, everything is all original. I mean, even from the locks on the doors. Let me ask Robert. Hey Robert, what year was this house built? All right, guys, so this is my client Robert. He got me doing this nice, beautiful home. For him, we're doing the tile floors. We're also doing the wood floors. And Robert, what's the history of this home?
It was built starting in 1932.
1932.
Didn't get finished for a few years. It's one of the most iconic homes in all of Atlanta. Underneath this tree is where the South surrendered.
Right under this tree?
Yes.
Wow.
And I promised when I bought it, I would make this home as special as it was to Atlanta at the time. And I selected you to preserve it for me.
Man, thank you so much. I appreciate that. Robert said he searched. You watched a lot of my videos, and he has been praising me with my online presence. You know, and I'm honored to be doing these type of projects. So Robert, thank you so much. Yes, sir.
Buckhead, ATL, history in the grain. 11,000 square feet, stories in the frame. They said sand it down, start over, make it new. But he said, hold up, that ain't what we do. He searched for months, didn't wanna erase all that time card deep in that space. Found Truman, yeah, we came through steady. Preserve the Walnut, keep it legendary. We don't send away the past. We protect it so it lasts. Green and Recoat, UV light glow. History shining through the wood floor. Buckhead legacy, polished and the cure. Marble shining bright, clean and pure. From the walnut grain to the marble stone. We preserve the story inside the home. Front. UV flashing, future meets the past. Old world charm, but the finish gonna last. Marble floors buff, gleaming like glass. Respect the craft, we don't move fast. This ain't demo, this preservation. Elevating homes across the nation. Robert said keep the soul intact, so we restored it and gave it back. We don't sign away the past. We protect it so it lasts. Buckhead shine, Atlanta pride. History living, amplified. Truman touch, that's how we move. Legacy floors with a modern groove. From the wood to the marble throne, we preserve the story inside the home.
Alright guys, that is going to do it. My client is very, very, very happy. Robert was a pleasure to work with. I just met his manager, Christy, so she just came and paid me. I rarely get cash, guys. They pay cash. I'm not a cash person. I don't really like cash. There's Robert.
What?
Just checking out these beautiful floors that you like so much.
No, I don't like them. I can't like these floors. I love these.
You love these floors. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, sir. So did Christy leave?
Yeah.
Okay.
Did she pay you?
Yeah, she did. She did pay me. Yep, she paid me. All right. All right, guys. So Robert loves his floors. He gave us a tour of this beautiful home. There's so much history in this home, guys. And that's what he said. He said, Courtney, I searched for months because everybody else told me to sand these floors, and I did not want to knock the history out of these floors. And guys, when I tell you, man, this house has so much history. He actually wants me to come back and do a tour of the house. Look at this, guys. I mean, this is just all, he said most of this stuff is from Italy, Europe. That lady back there, you see that lady right here? He said, Courtney, $800,000 right there. 1832 is when the house was built. He was telling me about how they had some, when the war was going on, they had soldiers that were staying here. They were actually dispatching right here from this room right here. We also did the stairs, the catwalk, cleaned and buffed the floors. Oh man, he took us to the basement. Yeah, they have a club up in the roof, guys. There's a club upstairs on the roof. You can see the whole city of Atlanta from the roof of this home. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. That's what we do. I'm gonna have Tavares put the vents back. All this right here, guys. All this beautiful. All this. We got the stairs done. All right, guys. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.